May I now invite my president, Shekhar Mehta, on the dais, please. And I hope, friends, it will be our lifetime achievement to get him physically here. I do not know the moment the plane flies, he will fly off. So that till then he is with us, and so try to get the best of him. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's great to be at a meeting in person. The last big meeting was in this room itself. That was 6 months back. I remember it was the second day of the centennial celebrations, and this was the hall. And in the evening, we had a wonderful evening. And thereafter, probably this is amongst the first meetings that I'm attending. So extremely happy to be with all of you. I got a little delayed. नीचे आया तो ध्यान आया मास्क ऊपर रह गया. थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा तो मालूम पड़ा सैनिटाइजर रह गया. So things are changing in life. When I go to the office, all of them is kept, everything is kept on the dining table. I just pick up and go. But today was no office day, so things weren't there. So I realized that how things are changing in the world right now. Oh yes, I was on 1st July, yes. It's good to see. How many of the presidents are here? Can you raise your hand so I know? Oh, wow. Oh, that's a lot. Most of you are presidents. Good. And how many district officials? Okay, wonderful. So first of all, Sudeep, I must compliment you. I mean, je rate tumi meeting gulo kore jaccho, seminar kore jaccho, which is outstanding. I believe you have another one coming up on cancer. Just yesterday it was another one you had. Very nice. My compliments to you. These are the best things that you can do right now. There is not much that you can go and do at the ground, but probably sharpening the axe is the best thing that you can do. Also, disseminating information so that people understand what are the needs and what can be done in the city. Yeah, I'm sure service projects are also possible. Not everything is possible, but a lot is possible. And Prabir, I'm happy that you've organized it. September is when we always have these programs. And I remember when I was the district governor, my first program was in September, and it was named Porichoy. So, in fact, all the programs, the last program was Puroshkar, and that was the award ceremony. Every event, by chance, it started with P. When the second one was with P, we had all programs by P. And there was an interesting thing. The district assembly was to be Prastuti. Ranjan Kothari was to do the printing. Usko bola ध्यान रखना spelling प्रस्तुति का. लाके मेरे को दिखाया सर सब कुछ print हो गया brochure ये देखिए. And as I had expected, it was not प्रस्तुति, it was proshuti. But Ranjan went. I was on my way to the pre-pets at Raichak. But Ranjan being Ranjan, in next 2 hours' time, he printed the fresh one and brought it. So all those memories were coming back. Wonderful. I wish you all the very best, Prabir. And to all the presidents, this now starts a new journey for you altogether. One of the best years of your life is in front of you. Rashi and I experienced it about 31 years back. She was the president of Inner Wheel Club, and I was the president of my Rotary Club on the same day, the same year. It was great. The amount of hands-on service you can do as president, you will not be able to do at any other position. So what if you are the Rotary International president? As a president, the higher you go, the lesser service hands-on you are able to do. Yes, you inspire more people, you motivate more people, but the joy of doing it yourself is the greatest when either you are a Rotarian doing the project or when you are the president, not only doing, but inspiring and motivating others to do it. So don't lose out on this opportunity. This 1 year, I always say, let Rotary be your priority. Family तो है यार, कल को अगर family में कोई problem होगा, तो you leave everything and look after the family. Business, how about 1 year mankind being your business? रोज तो business कर रहे हैं. I remember Shopon Mukherjee was one day narrating me an instance that happened in his life. उसको ज्योति बासु का son, what's his name? Chandan Basu. Chandan Basu called up and said, चलो let's go for golf. तो वो बोला এখন তো 3টে বাজে on a working day কি করে যাব? তো he said, why? যেতে পারো না কেন golf খেলতে? বলে না অফিসে কাজ আছে. বলে স্বপন, you are doing business for last 30 years. তুমি এখনো যদি দুপুরে গলফ খেলতে না যেতে পারো তাহলে ব্যবসাটা কি করলে তুমি? It's a lesson to learn actually. It's important. Our businesses, these are all people who are leaders. Our business should be such, our work should be such, unless I'm a doctor, of course, that's a separate thing. It should be that if required, I should be able to take out time for mankind. That's why we've joined Rotary, most of us. Or whether we may have joined for networking, for friendship, fellowship, etc. Yes, I understand that. But over a period of time, when you become more entrenched into Rotary, it is the service aspect which is important. So this 1 year is going to give you that amazing opportunity. Do not miss on that. It will be your responsibility to grow the organization. So that's the first focus area that I wish to have for Rotary around the world. For last 20-25 years, I've been hearing Rotary's membership is, we are in 200 countries and our membership is 1.2 million. Are 1.2 million 20 বছর ধরে আছে. Can we not shift it to 1.3 million? And that is the challenge I have taken. It's a crazy challenge, let me tell you. Last 5 years, we have lost membership. Each year, our membership has reduced. In fact, last year, it reduced the highest in last 5 years by 1% plus, 1.2%. And yet, what we have not done in 20 years, I am wanting to do in the next 20 months. And I promise you, we will do it. And if there is one place where it will start from this room. And I'm serious about this. चिराग तले अंधेरा नहीं हो सकता. होता है, पर होना नहीं चाहिए. You light a lamp, it spreads light everywhere, but the bottom of the lamp is always dark. But that's not what 3291 is going to be. If I'm going around telling the world that we need to increase the membership, then we need to do that. First of all, and district governor, ये सुन लो, अच्छे से सुन लो. I've told this to every district governor around the world. By chance, because of this pandemic, I have been able to speak to every governor. Normally, the international president, he gets to speak to the governors only in the month of January or February when the International Assembly happens. But I thought, why not use the virtual platforms and speak to each and every one of them. And what I did was, every time, wherever around the world I've gone virtually, I've asked one question, and the response has been identical. Let's see what the response here is. Cameraman, এখানে এসো ভাই তুমি. আরে এইদিকে এসো না তুমি. ওই ছবিটা ওখানে নেবে. এখন যা বলছি এখানে থাকো. How many of you in the next 20 months will get just one member into Rotary? Just one member. Video घुमा दे भैया. ये मेरे को proof चाहिएगा. I'm going to meet each of these guys. এই দেখলাম এক্ষুনি একটা হাত নেমে গেল. Friends, this is what I have seen with 20,000 people, whether it was Africa, South America, America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Thailand, Korea, Japan, everywhere. This is what the response is. So if each of us can do it, our membership should double in 2 years' time. 20 months from now will be the end of our term. Just focus on this one thing, Probir, and I assure you our membership will become double. If there is one place where our membership should be double, triple, 4 times, it is Calcutta. I'll tell you why. I came across a concept which I have now started speaking everywhere in the world. It is the density of Rotarians in the population. What is Calcutta's population? 1 crore 20 lakhs at the lower side. It is more. I am saying on the lesser side. Okay. 0.01% of that, that means out of 10,000 people, one Rotarian is all that we need. সেটা করতে গেলে আমাদের 12,000 রোটেরিয়ান হওয়া উচিত। আমাদের 2,500 রোটেরিয়ানও নেই in Calcutta proper. So we have capacity to increase our membership 4 times in the city itself. But we think we have too many members here. No, we do not. And this is I'll give you an example. Chennai has 2 districts. Mumbai has 2 districts. Delhi has 2 districts. Calcutta, where Rotary started, has 1 district only. And that too, jhool raha hai. Our membership has fallen over the last 5 years, if I'm not wrong. If it hasn't fallen, it's just at the same place. Fallen. Our membership has fallen. How can that be? That's because our strategy is wrong somewhere. Our focus probably is not there. And I keep saying this for Rotary International also, that we have probably done a lip service to membership growth. Otherwise, why should it not be possible? And just now you saw everybody raised a hand. Simple job. Next 2 years, if you get 1 person, simple arithmetic, our membership can become 6,000 if it is 3,000 today. If it's 3,500, it can become 7,000 in 2 months' time. And Probir, if you are a successful governor, in my eyes, you will only be a successful governor if you take our membership beyond 6,000 at the end of your year. Otherwise, to me, you have failed. Acta goal shudu kore dio, I will recognize you at the convention as an outstanding Rotarian and outstanding governor. Friends, we are a membership organization. अगर हम अपना membership को ही नहीं बढ़ा सकते, then what are we doing? And why should we not? When it is so very easy to do. Of course, you will form new clubs. Again, on new clubs, I said a few days back, and Sudeep has already implemented on that. There is possibility of 50 new clubs in Calcutta. 50 new clubs. Any housing society which has more than 300 flats there, it deserves to have a Rotary club there. Ei Shonate, Urbana, and I gave the example of Urbana itself, and the first club at Urbana has started. Why? There are at least 50 such complexes in Calcutta. Each of them, and it is so very easy. Rajarhate, there should be 20 Rotary clubs. Every big complex, imagine how good it would be. Husband, wife, दोनों Friday evening को Rotary meeting में नीचे उतर के आ रहे हैं, community hall में meeting हो रहा है. It's so easy. Out of 300 flats, all you need is 10%. 30 people becoming members and the more will join. And these will be strong clubs, let me tell you. So, I would tell Sudeep, don't wait. Probir doesn't have to start that. Everyone needs to start that one, each one, bring one is the slogan worldwide for the next year. But I am asking everyone to start it today. Sudeep, you do that. Get these clubs formed. As I said, have a senior Rotarian become in charge of this itself. That your responsibility is 20 new clubs in the multi-storied buildings that we have in Calcutta. I'm even telling you how to do it. And who's your... Debashish is the membership chair. Okay? So, Debashish ko ye bol dena, my lens is absolutely fixed on him. I'm going to see the performance, what's happening. This is serious stuff. I go around the world saying how easy it is to do. We cannot fail at our district. Right? So let's do it. It's simple. Getting new clubs, getting new members, of course easy. And third would be retention, which I'm sure when you get more and more people, if your club membership is going to become double, then your club is going to become strong. If you look at the health of our district, we are in a bad shape, let me tell you. We are just out of the ventilator. We are just out of the ventilator, I'm telling you. COVID ho rakha hai hum log ko. You may not like to hear it, but the doctor has to come and tell you what the situation is. 4 years back, I was at a stage when people came, pets, sir, end of the pets, asked, sir, 4th time president. He's taking great pride in the fact that he's president for the 4th time. Sir, I'm 3rd time president, 2nd time, 4th time, 5th time. In my club, it will be a matter of shame for me if a person has to repeat as president. Tar mane, we have not developed leadership in our club. Any club, any person becoming for the second time should feel that he also has failed in his club in getting leadership in the club. Why should you have to do it? In an organization which thrives, which has thrived for 115 years, where right from the managing director, which is the president of Rotary International, down to the general manager, 35,000 of them change every year. 2 साल में कोका-कोला कंपनी बंद हो जाएगा, फोर्ड मोटर्स उठ जाएगा, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट तो बैंकरप्ट हो जाएगा. If in 5 years they had 5 CEOs and every manager were to change. Yet we are able to do. Why should we not be able to do it in our district? The membership committee needs to have focus. We need to become a strong district. This is where it's a matter of pride. We are failing Rotary Club of Calcutta if we do not make our district strong. Yes, it's a matter of pride. Nobody else has that pride except Calcutta, that Rotary started here and the 100 years have happened here. We have to set examples. We cannot be behind Bombay, Chennai or Delhi. We have to be ahead of them. And the first thing you need to do is increase the membership. The moment you increase membership, naturally Kaj Badbe goes without saying. Contribution Badbe goes without saying. You want to compare Nepal, which was a very small part. When I was the district governor, there were 25 clubs in Nepal and there were 100 here in India part, West Bengal part. They branched out 5 years later. For the last 3 years, their average contribution has been more than $1.5 million. Amader ekhono $500,000 o pouchote parchi na amra. Kothai Calcutta, Kothai Kathmandu. I mean, Kathmandu as a city is in shambles. You go there, if you have been there, and when I used to go there, it was paradise. And yet, why will we not be able to make those contributions? Our dreams have become small. We have stopped dreaming big. We are living on our past glory, whereas there is tremendous power in today's glory itself. We need to do that. We have to be worthy of being the originals. We are the first one. Nobody can take it away from us, but we need to have a sense of pride also. So I will want that let's have the membership, and secondly, projects and programs. I would say we do a great job. We do very nice programs, projects. But if imagine, 3,500 ji kasta hoche, if you had 3,500 more members, double the work is possible. Double the contribution is possible. So next time a president of Rotary International will not be able to stand here and say, you are doing so poor in comparison to Kathmandu. Bolte parbe na? The idea is this. I'll give you another example. Bangladesh, about 6 years back, they bifurcated into 2 districts. Today, their growth is higher than what it is in India. They are now ready for the 3rd district. They have nearly doubled their membership. So friends, increase the membership, do programs and projects. And to the club presidents, I'll tell you, this is 1 year you will be president. My own club president is here. He must be shivering कि ये किस साल में हम president बन गया, गलती कर दिया. ये शेखर मेहता, पर in a way he's very happy. He had thought ये तो चला जाएगा. So good, आराम से है यहाँ पर. He didn't know कि ये COVID हो गया, I'll be here right on his head to get things done here at my club. But friends, I'll give you some examples. And let me give you my own club examples. You have to have dreams. And if you have dreams, I'll show you what happens. We started a program on heart surgeries. Long time back, Dr. Vidhavan was becoming a member of, becoming the president of the club. He came to my house and said, Shekhar, yaar, badi ichha hai. I'm a heart specialist. Is saal mein heart surgeries karenge bachon ki. Some time back, Sushil Gupta had already asked me, why don't you do this Gift of Life program? I said, okay, karenge. And suddenly, I didn't understand what this heart, chamber, valve, etc. I couldn't understand that. And something in the meanwhile happened. A lot of children were supposed to come from Northeast. And Kalpana Khound, a past governor, was supposed to send those children. Unfortunately, one of those children died. That shook me up absolutely. That because of my lack of knowledge, I couldn't get this program started and we couldn't save the life of one child. And as God sent, In couple of days, Dr. Vidhavan came and said, we want to start this program. Okay. How many surgeries? He said 6. Friends, we ended the year with 66 heart surgeries. Each year thereafter, we have done on an average 100 surgeries. Mahanagar alone has done more than 1,000 heart surgeries for children. हमारे फैमिली में एक बच्चे को अगर हार्ट में होल हो जाए तो क्या हाल होता है सोचो. It's not one heart surgery. It's one life of a child. पूरा फैमिली ऊपर नीचे हो जाए अगर हमारे बच्चे के किसी के हार्ट में होल हो जाए. 1,000 such lives have changed because of the efforts of one club. And then we took it to so the program has to be of such a scale that it can become a national program. Of course, my being there helped, but somebody else's work also can help. I'll give you another example where there was no past director involved, and yet from Mumbai a program has become now a national program. Today, the heart surgery program is a national program, and we are committed to do 5,000 heart surgeries each year. Each year, 5,000 heart surgeries across India. Today, the state government has started the same program based on our program. When I had just been elected as director, I went and met Mamta Didi, and then I told her that this is my first meeting with you. She had just got elected also. I said, okay, my gift to you is, I'm just meeting you for the first time, my gift is 100 heart surgeries for children, free we will do. That was about 12, 13 years back. Next day, on our OSD, started sending children. For next 1.5 years, we did 200 heart surgeries. Tarpore bondo hoye gelo. Karonta jano keno? Because she started the program called Shishu Sati, where today if a child needs heart surgery in West Bengal, the hospital will get 1,25,000 rupees from the state government. So a program started by Rotary, taken up by the state. What I'm trying to get at Presidents, this was just done by a club which is not the biggest club here in this city. Each of you can do it. You want an example of a small club? Hira Lal Yadav. Hira, are you here? I saw you somewhere. Hira's club, when I was becoming the district governor, he was supposed to be the incoming president of his club. I was recommended by Prabhat da, is club ko band kar do. I told Hira, tumhara club ko band kar dena hai. He said, sir, thoda sa time dijiye, kaise hum kare, survive kare. I said, okay, you do one thing, do one major project around which people will rally. He said, kya kare? Then the thought came up of an eye hospital. That year, there was a major focus on eye hospital. That's a separate story. I'll tell you why. It was some other day. Even our group study exchange was based on eye doctors, etc. And we had 35 global grants in our district only for eye surgeries. And this hospital started. Today, the result is, Hira has found a mission in his life. Today, the program has nationally gone up. You call up anybody in India कि हमको एक eye hospital set up करना है. There is every possibility that person will know the name of Hira Lal Yadav. Only and only because that dedication and the dream to think big. Presidents, small club or big club is not the criteria. I gave an example of Hira only because it was a club with only 8 members about to close. When I joined Mahanagar, there were only 3 members. It could not have been smaller than that. There were only 3 members, and today is one of the stronger clubs, I would say. Probably we do the highest number of global grants in the world. Not probably, I know it is. Only 10 global grants are allowed. Around the world, probably there are 2 or 3 clubs only who do this. And I took this information right from the Rotary Foundation office. If Mahanagar can do it, your club can do it. Belur does an excellent job. Belur President, are you here? I'm proud of the way your club is handling its affairs. 4 years back, I was impressed when I saw 5 of your incoming presidents lined up. My club also, I cannot do that. So that's what I call leadership planning. That's the strategic planning that your club is doing, which is excellent. So friends, plan up. Now is the time that we need to change the way we work. Everywhere I keep saying Rotary has a role in the nation building process. We are doing it. Our e-learning program is just getting launched 2 days, 3 days later. 10 crore children in India sitting at home because of the pandemic will be able to study the material that Rotary has provided to the government of India. आप भी चैनल स्टार्ट करके देखिएगा, 1 तारीख के लिए बोलते हैं पर गवर्नमेंट का every few days they postpone it. We have given them 500 episodes. You see Star Plus वगैरह पे, Zee Bangla पे देखते हैं ना episodes for these soap serials. Each episode is one episode. We have given them 500 and we will give them 1,000 more. 1,500 episodes for class 1 to 12. Government has started 12 channels, Swayam Prabha channels. Class 1, channel number 1. Class 5, channel number 5. Class 10, channel number 10. What is the content that will be shown? Content that has been developed by Rotary India Literacy Mission. That is what I call the role of Rotary in nation building. Where 10 crore children, 10 crore why? There are 25 crore children in the education system. The rest are not reading in Hindi and English. Right now we have given only Hindi and English. In the next 3 to 4 months' time, 25 crore children will be able to study the same subjects. Your dreams will have to be so big. छोटा छोटा काम 100 साल हो गया है, यहाँ से रोटरी स्टार्ट हुआ है, छोटा काम करना शोभा नहीं देता है. If you find that your club alone cannot do it, 5 clubs come together. Do a project of such value that the local minister comes and tells you, अच्छा भाई रोटरी क्लब के डाको तो ये कास्टा कोत्ते हवे. Millennium, I find, is the host. Is Chaitali here by chance? So Chaitali took us to Bobby Hakim. I wanted to meet him. I just went and told him कि we want to do a lot of dialysis centers. So why don't you provide us space? तो बोला अच्छा ठीक है. फिर बात हो गया, पुराना हो गया, बात ध्यान से हुई उतर गया. I got busy into other things. But 3 months back, I got a letter from him saying, okay, we will give you 2 floors on Chetla Main Road. A new building is coming, a brand new building, and they have given us 2 floors. We ordered 15 machines. The global grant has already been approved on a fast track. A project of 1 crore 25 lakhs approved. And by September, and thank you Anirudh for all the help that you are doing in getting this project done. By October, the project, before Puja, they want to inaugurate it. It is possible. So what I'm trying to say is, if you have a project of a good size, something that will appeal to them, they will come knocking on your door. They will come and ask you, will you do it for us, please? And don't worry, what did we have to do? Our club had to do what? Just 1 global grant, which any Rotary club here can do. Small or big is not the criteria. So do not think you are a small club. And in today's time, when it's a virtual world, there is nothing called a small club. A small club of 10 people also can organize a regular weekly meeting where they can have 500 people attending. 2 months back, my club had a regular weekly meeting. You know how many people attended? 2,480 people attended. Because the speaker was Shiv Khera. 1 month back, we had the governor of West Bengal as the speaker at our club meeting, and there were about 600 to 700 people attending. Imagine what power it is giving you in COVID times also. Suddenly, of these 600 people, my club members would have been only 60. Who are the balance 540? Maybe a few hundred of them are Rotarians, but there are many who are non-Rotarians. They are the people who want to become members of your Rotary Club. There are so many clubs who are doing great work. I'm just giving you 2 examples. I don't delve too much at the district level to understand each and every club's program, but I keep getting information and I do participate. Clubs are doing, I'll just give you 2 more examples and then I'll finish. Rotary Club of Delhi Southwest, they invited me to inaugurate a sit and draw competition. I said, क्या यार sit and draw competition, बच्चे लोग का भी अब मेरे को जाना है. बोले सर आइए, कारण है आपको बोलते हैं. कारण I understood when I came on the Zoom platform. Each year for the last 30 years, they were doing this sit and draw competition for various awareness programs. Last year, they had 6,000 children from Delhi. This year on the virtual world, they had 12,000 plus people from 22 countries. That is the power today. Engagement of Rotarians is easy. Retention is possible far better today than it was. But if your club is not on the virtual world, then let me tell you, you may run the peril of your club shutting very soon. Because if members are not meeting, if they are not engaging, there is problem. So get them engaged. Ensure that they are participating. Have large meetings. If you are having problems, join with 2 other clubs. Doesn't make a difference. For projects also, please, let us do projects and programs where we can be proud that, look, this is what it is. This is what we have created. Rotary Club of Calcutta, you created the Rotary Southern. What an outstanding place it is. Everybody knows Rotary Southern in Calcutta. And just yesterday, day before yesterday at your meeting, I've said, I think now it will be easier for us to, I had already spoken to Mr. Firad Hakim, that stretch of the road be called Rotary Road. In the 100th year, I had always wanted a road or a square or a circle to be named after Rotary. And when I met him, this was one of the things that I had told. It's just a matter I've told Rotary Club of Calcutta is to pursue it now, because this is one thing I've not followed up. Purnendu, jodi na hoy tale tumar daitto ei baat theke. Korea ami devo follow up ta tomake kore nite hobe, along with Anirudh, because Anirudh has now developed, o usko Bobby Hakim phone karte rehte hain, ki holo amader oi dialysis center ta ekhono hoy ni. So he is in direct communication, so let's get this done. So friends, let me just end. I've given you examples. The virtual world, don't worry about it. There is so much you can do. Rotary's biggest public image program was done during the pandemic. On 26th of June, Choti Si Asha. 3 hours program on Colors TV. Never have we got such, the who's who of the Bollywood world was there. Amitabh Bachchan singing poetry for Rotary. Salman Khan dancing. Salman Khan requesting us, can being human become a part of this program? Normally we would go and ask, can being human become a part of a Rotary's program? Here he was asking. And outstanding gesture by him. For a program of 3 years, 3 hours, he would have charged 10 crores of rupees. He didn't charge a single penny, rather helped us raise the money. So the highest fundraiser was possible. The biggest PR project was possible. I gave you the example of that club which had 12,000 people. I've given you say, array, art competition, awareness is possible. No. The other program that we are doing with the government of India, where the entire education system is changing, it is happening during the pandemic without my getting out of my house. This dialysis center, I have not visited. I just visited the center place once, but it is happening. So projects can happen. Pandemic will not stop us from doing anything we are able to do. So friends, let me just end by saying, double the membership. That is your responsibility, the incoming presidents, and also Sudeep's responsibility. Do projects where the world's eyes are on you. And I take pride, ye hai 3291. This is what 3291 is. This is where Rotary started in India. I take great pride in this district, but I would love that this district becomes strong. If the assistant governors are here some other day, I'll speak to them. They are very important in making the clubs strong. The clubs which are below 10, usko pehle 15 par le jao. Jiska membership 15 se niche, usko pehle 25 par leke jao. These are 2 things that have to be done. We cannot have any club which is below 20. At least not below 15. 1 year mein 15 pe le jao, next year mein 20 pe le jao. Have one past governor dedicated only for this job, Sudeep, I'm telling you. These are the things that will make us strong. I go around the world and I see and I feel, I am telling the entire world, and my own district, my own backyard is unable to do the same thing. So please let us do that and make this the most glorified district in the world. Thank you very much.